side and march again. Then jump. March. Clap. Side to side and bend. Appear disappear.
Passing by sky, the sun is so bright.
Wave your hand.
Fluffy and soft, white clouds in the sky.
Touch your shoulder.
Around the big tree,
Your head.
we're all together.
Then jump.
Let's dance.
Wave your hand. Make a circle.
Chasing your dreams with your hands in the sky.
A fish.
Just be brave, we can do anything.
March.
La 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 la, be happy and smile.
And jump.
Let's jump.
Wave your hand. Mushy.
And if you ever feel so frightened, I'm always here to cheer you on. The kindness
Brush your
of
eyes.
was hard.
Turn around.
The world of paradise.
Ready to jump. March.
Hello, my friends.
Clap.
Ooh la la.
Side to side and march again. And jump. March.
Now with a smile, let's
Clap.
ooh la la.
Side to side and bend.
Treasure.
Okay kids, lahat tayo sasabihin natin, rolling! Very good kids! Okay, move forward naman lahat ng ating mga kids. Move forward kasi si Lala Chan pupunta sa likuran. So move forward kids! Sige, move forward tayo. Sige pa, move forward. Si Kuya Dena, Fruit Indian seat. Ganito. Okay kids, eto na ang giveaway ni Lala Chan. Ngayon kids, magka-countdown tayo. Ang sasabihin natin, 3, 2, 1, at sisigaw tayo ng open! Ayan, ganyan ha, malakas. Okay, ready? Lala Chan, ready ka na? Ready na si Lala Chan. Lala Chan, usog ka ng konti dito. Ayan, para makita ka. Okay, ready kids? In 3, okay, sit down. Raise your right hand. Nasaan yung right hand niyo? Okay? Taas lang yung right hand. Ibig sabihin, wala pa kayong balloon. Okay, habang namimigay si Ate Rich at si Kuya Junji, nais ko lamang pong i-inform ang mga mommies and daddies. Tuwing 3:15 p.m. po, ginaganap every day ang aming Lala Chan appearance. 5:10 p.m. naman po ang aming arts and crafts. Gumagawa po sila ng twisted balloon. Wait lang po dun sa ibang mga kids na wala pang giveaway, okay? Sit down, you may sit down muna kids. Kaya kumukuha pa si Kuya Junji. And meron po kaming tinatawag na 2 to 3 hours playtime po. Pwede po makasali yung mga kids sa aming slime activity. Tuwing weekend naman po siya. From 11:10 a.m., 1:40 p.m., at 5:10 p.m. Every Saturday and Sunday lamang po yun. Every weekend. O sino pa po yung walang giveaway po Lala Chan? Taas lamang po ang kamay. Okay, Kuya Junji, mukhang lahat sila. Meron na. Okay, sit down. Sit down muna tayong lahat. And then, itaas naman natin yung giveaway na binigay ni Lala Chan. Itaas nga natin, kids. At i-wave natin. Wave! Okay, sit down. Sit down muna tayo, kids.